hoisin beef. So this is a really hot skillet, and I put a little bit of oil, and I use this meat spatula, and it really crumbles the beef really well. So here I'm just breaking that ground beef apart, and then I like to just leave it and get brown on one side, and then you'll see here that little bit of browning. I use another spatula just to toss everything together, and then when that gets really nice and brown, I start adding in our garlic, and then I also like to add in ginger, and that gives it some really nice flavor. And then I just make sure that cooks really well, adding in our sliced onion, and that gives really good flavor. And you can cook your onion how you like to here. If you like it a little bit more softer, you can cook it all the way down. I like it kind of midway. And then right after that onion, we're going to add in a punch of flavor with hoisin sauce. So that gives it really nice color and great flavor. It has a little bit of sweetness. It's really good. You'll love this. So then we're just going to mix everything together here. And then when we're all done with the mixing, you'll see it's really nice. You can serve this hoisin beef with butter lettuce here. So I just put the hoisin beef right in the middle of that lettuce. I also use a little bit of shredded carrot and also some crisp cucumber.